Hi guys, so I accidentally left the GoPro on last night, and of course it was dead this morning when I went to do my vlog, sorry, to start the day. So anyways, it's been charging up and the day's already done, and I'm just going to show you what I got accomplished today. My dad came give me a hand, like I mentioned on the last vlog, and we got lots of the siding done. So we got this side all finished, and we've got the back entirely finished. So you can see two sides here. We've got the shingles, vinyl shingles up in that gable there. Looks really sharp. And you notice all the blocks, siding blocks we have, like there's one there, there's one down here on the wall. Those are for outlets, and this back one's actually for where the gas line will go through if they ever put a furnace in. And then we went around and just got a few rows started on that side. So tomorrow we'll finish that side, get most of the front finished up if I have all the metal pieces I need for around the overhead door. And anyways, it shouldn't be a very long day tomorrow. What we did here today was probably about 9:30 till we got going. We cleaned up at 4 o'clock, so goes pretty easy. We didn't have a lot to cut around though either. More windows and doors and that sort of thing you have to cut around, obviously, the longer it takes, but we didn't have much. So anyways, we'll check in the morning and get another day out of the way.